Hey guys, so I'm here with my fiddle leaf plant and it has been thriving, but then down here I've been having issues where I've been seeing a lot of this blackness coming up on the leaves, and I went and took it to a place called Forever Flower, the Forest Flower, and the lady recommended that I get some all-purpose water-soluble plant food. So I'm going to put a little bit of this inside my watering can. She said tap water should be fine. No, she said tap water is fine. Don't worry about that. She told me that good that I had this. Make sure I keep it between 3 and 4. The 3 and 4, when I see 3 and 4, that means it's time to water it. I seen these little concoctions that I want to use to put in my plants while I'm gone, because I usually leave a lot and I'm gone for like over a week and a half every month. So I want to put something in my plant so that I know it's going to get water and the right amount of water. And once I get those, I'll share those with you guys. But yeah, the leaves have just been falling off at the bottom, which has been really making me very frustrated because I've been missing it. But come to find out, it is really dry. So I'm going to water it really well today. And today is going to be June 14th. And I'm going to water it really well and then see how this works. As far as I know, I was moving kind of fast, but I wanted to show you close up of the actual fertilizer slash plant food that I'm using and what it looks like. So if you want to go and look for this once you see how it works for me, this is actually days after the video was done, but I needed to show you up close, and the plant has been thriving so far, but I'll do another video with that. So here is a close-up of it. All right, guys, as far as keeping the plant alive and seeing how much healthier it flourishes, so yeah, June 14th 2021, I'm going to put, she said, a 1/4 teaspoon in this size container should be fine, and then just water it. She said about 4 cups of water, go evenly in the soil and let it drain, and then leave it. So we're going to see how that works, and I'm going to keep you guys posted on how this plant food makes this thrive, because it's like I tried to cut the black off and I just keep seeing more black appearing, and I didn't realize it was dry because I just had my daughter water it when I was out of town. But this is the black that I keep seeing right here, and I was told to repot it, so I did that. So I'm like, okay, maybe it is. I have to be more consistent with the water. And if you have a fiddle leaf, please let me know. I really don't want to lose all these stems to where it looks a hot mess, but it's just like this looks really weird down here because it used to be a lot of stems there. I would say I've lost about 8 leaves because this was really full. I lost about 8 leaves, but these ones are up here like nice and perky and doing their thing. So we shall see, guys, and I will keep you guys posted. Let's get this stuff in this watering can. So I'm opening it up, and there's a little scoop in here, and she said about a 1/4 teaspoon, so not much. I'll say about, if that's 1 teaspoon, I say I'm gonna put about that much in there, maybe not even that much inside, which is lower than the teaspoon level because it's a tablespoon at the top and then a teaspoon at the bottom. And so I'm gonna put that in and shake it around, let it get, I'm gonna put this water meter in there, just let it get dissolve really well. I don't know if I should be putting this water meter in there. If not, oh well, sorry. It's supposed to go on moisture, so I guess it won't hurt it, but I gotta find something long to get down in there. So yeah, so the water, it's dissolved. So I'm going to water this, and she said make sure I go all around the whole plant. So, and she said about 3 to 4 cups. So yeah, we're gonna make sure this baby gets some water. She said give it a good watering. And she said this should be watered like every 10 days or something or so. So that's it. I'm gonna leave it, and I will keep you guys posted. I hope you guys are enjoying these plant videos. You guys are learning with me as I learn as well, and we're just gonna see how this works out. And I have like a little journal that I try to journal certain things if I remember, especially if it's me doing it, because sometimes, like I said, when I'm out of town, my daughter does it for me. So now that I found these little stake things, I don't have to worry about if it's being done or watered right from this point on. So yeah, when I get those, I will share those, and I will keep you guys posted on the health of this fiddle leaf and how it continues to grow and flourish, because that's what we're praying for. All right, talk to you guys later, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you're new to the channel, make sure you join the family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time I load another video. All right, talk to you